I'm Eddie Hall. I've been a woodworker for a great number of years. On the lathe here we have a piece of rimu, and we're going to turn that into a needle case. So these ladies that do sewing and that, they put their needles in it. There's a cap to go on there, but we'll turn this part and see how we go. This is a nice little bit of rimu. It could have come from anywhere. It may be recycled because at some stage we can get nice clean timber. I started off as a carpenter. My interest was in wood. My uncle, he was a sawmiller, climbing around the logs in his sawmill. Dad was a farmer. So he didn't have any interest in woodwork or anything like that, but yeah, dates back a wee while. We usually utilise any bit of timber that we can, and we do specify that it is recycled. Should have found this before, should I? Nice little tool for beading. Decoration. Here we are, a needle case, finished article. This is a yarn bowl, so your wool goes in here and comes out. Various timbers, banksia, blackwood, walnut, rimu, red beech grown off the tararuas up here, miro and the salt and pepper grinders, and we use that in the other items as well. We make pin cushions. The pins, once again we try and make them out of New Zealand native timbers, but we do use some imported timbers. It is very surprising that just how many people buy and collect fountain pens. A slimline pen like this, and I might make 20 at a time. It's a great business come hobby. Probably 98% of my sales are at markets. Fielding Craft Market, that dates back to the Civic Centre. That's quite some time.